What's the meaning of countersunk? Countersunk. Countersunk.
Countersunk. Countersunk. Countersunk refers to a type of screw or bolt that is designed to be flush with the surface it is screwed into. The head of a countersunk screw is cone-shaped and tapers down to a flat top, allowing it to sit flush with the surface it is screwed into. This creates a smooth, even surface with no protrusions. Countersinking is commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, and other construction applications where a flush finish is desired. It helps to prevent objects from catching on the screw head and also provides a more aesthetically pleasing appearance.